Now we are going to find the y-intercept for this specific function. So what is the y-intercept? It's where the function intersects with y-axis. So suppose you have a function like this. Then here this point is the so-called y-intercept. Now if you have a function like this, say like this, then this is the point that's the y-intercept. And of course, if you have a function like that, and this will be the y-intercept. So now you can see that all these three examples, the y-intercept can be found when x is equal to 0, right? So usually, how do you find a y-intercept? That's when x is 0, the y value. So in this case, which is 7 times 0, which is 0. So this is pretty easy case. So the y-intercept is just 0.